you know, so before the break, they got a few financial tips for the kids. Now it's time for he said, which would be I, and she said, which would be the I
and I.
Who's better at money management? I have said this so often here that I think men and women obviously have physical differences. I don't think we are different otherwise. So you have a woman who is very good at money management, and you have some who are not. And you have some men who are very good at money management, and some are not. I don't think it's a gender thing that she's better than me just because she's female. I don't know about that.
I don't think so. I agree with you.
So I am not. When it comes, it's especially because of the job that I do. I don't want the embarrassment. I kind of make sure it's everything right. I don't want to write no bounce check. So nobody just come say, come here while I'm on here. So I kind of look after myself. And I've been looking after myself for a while, which is one of the reasons I kind of, but every now and again you slip up. And I slip up with my credit. I slip up with my credit card from the other day.
Me too.
My credit card stays and still going. So every now and again I slip up, and I need to correct that rather quickly because it kind of got out of hand. I shouldn't say it's getting out of hand. It got out of hand.
And I think sometimes like that it's like just convenience. It should not have it online. I'm going to go to the bank and pay, and then every time we drive past the bank, I say, make a pay.
Yeah,
till it goes
yeah.
up.
Mine get out. I was saying getting out of hand, but mine get out of hand. But there might be an argument to say that women are probably more mature.
I wouldn't agree.
No?
No, I wouldn't agree. I've seen some relationships where if the man not put on him foot, the money spent on some bling things, it's not funny. Yeah, man, spend on some hair and some nails and some...
But to be fair...
Which is fine for you to look good. I'm not saying you shouldn't spend it on it, but, prioritize it and spend on it, and then you don't have food to eat.
Yeah, you have to have a plan, and you don't want it to get to that stage. But why? Sometimes we work hard, and sometimes me don't feel nothing wrong for you, just decide, say, me I go up on the plaza today and spend some money, But you're right, Richard said it and Delia said it. You need to have a plan. You don't want to put yourself in such a deep hole that you just impossible to come back out,
I've seen men who, like they get paid and they just give them wife. Because them know them wife is better at managing the money, paying the bills, making sure everybody lunch money, pay everything that needs to happen. I've seen situations where women say in terms of certain aspects of money management, let the husband do it. So I'll manage the household money. Yeah. Let him manage something else. But then while you're thinking that him doing it,
him not doing
him not do.
Yeah.
And then you find out say never did that.
Well, I remember my very first job, and Delia knows my mom.
Yes.
She don't play. So she just put me down and say, see, when you get your check, you have to put this in the bank, you have to put that there, you have to do that with that. And I say, yeah, man. Well, me don't know, say, the first money I collect in my life, before I even leave the office, I go and spend that. So I did just make up my mind. Say, the first day I get paid? No, sir. Plan for the what? But spend it. Well, remember me tell you, you see, as I get it, I head straight for the shop. And it was finished before I leave the store. When I reach my mother, I say,
never. Say what you said, never.
Me done that long time. But then you learn after a while.
Very soft-spoken lady.
Yeah, man, you learn after a while.
Never, I'm looking at these things. Were they gifts?
No, man, she never used to play.
I couldn't buy them back.
But we learned a lot. We learned a lot because most of us are teachers and accountants. But she was. But again, I don't think it's a gender thing. I think you have, as Delia said, you have some men who are very mature and know exactly what to do and how to do it, and you have women like that. And it is good to have somebody around you that if you are a little wild,
balance,
for want of a better word, then you have somebody say, no.
Balance.
So if every night you want to go to the restaurant and you go Monday, you go Tuesday, you need somebody to say, no, man.
Need some balance.
You need to kind of...
If you just throw money and the person beside you say, yes, man, make we spend it.
It's not a good friend, that.
It's not a good partner either.
Yeah, it's not a good friend, that.
Not a good partner either. You hear, Benji?
Yeah.
Okay.
but I'm repeating myself. But I don't know if it's a gender thing. I think some of us just good and some of us just not good. Period. Whether you're a man or a woman. All right, we're gonna go for another break, and then we come back in just a little while. More on Smile.
May I take in Oma while I'm get pensive?
Oma while